Batangas Torpedo, stealing bronze from Evangelista Aquatics, Marcin Marala.
Ayaw yung lagi.
Sir Makabakyaw. Okay. And our silver medalist, the same from. And for our bronze, we have Emery Blake Nalbalta of Aquachera.
Ito lang, ito ko hilap siya.
Okay, stop the music please. Okay, for our event 12, gusto ko po namin tawagin yung presence ni Municipal Mayor of Kiamba, Sarangani Province, Honorable Romel Thomas M. Falgi. Okay, si Mayor to award the 5 events. Okay, si Mayor please. And over 50-meter backstroke gold medalist from Panabo City Swimming Club, Maribeth Boyko. Gold. Event 15, boys 13 to 14, 50-meter backstroke. Gold medalist from the Changas Torpedoes. Torpedoes, Gian Paulo Lepardo. Okay, kunin niyo yung medal. Yung gold natin si Aquachera, si Emery Blake.
Baliktad.
Yung silver natin si Antonio Luis Balagon. Yan. Yung silver muna si Antonio Luis of Panabo City Swimming Club. Silver si Antonio Luis. Silver Antonio Luis. Ang bronze naman from the Changas, Gian Paulo. Okay, yan. Event number 24, girls 6 and under.
Bagay nga bata o. Nai gold, nai silver.
Please, yung silver natin from Evangelista.
Bakayo. Lang. Ako magigiglawas o.
Okay, pasok. Okay, yung silver from Evangelista. And for our bronze, goes to the Aquachera.